If you have just a little bit of customer service experience, maybe you're comfortable working on spreadsheets, I have a couple entry-level work-from-home jobs for you, and you really don't need a whole lot of related experience. And for all of you who live in India, I have a work-from-home job for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into them. The first one I'm sharing comes to us from the company Premier. They provide services that help healthcare facilities improve their business. Right now they have an opening for an intake specialist prior authorization. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, but you need to get your application in by December 30th, 2024. And they're going to pay $45,000 per year plus a 3.5% annual bonus, so that salary is $21.63 per hour, plus they offer a pretty decent suite of benefits. And they have two different shifts from which to work. You can choose to work from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time or 12 to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, and you don't have to live in the Eastern Time Zone, just translate your local hours to those hours. So in this position, you'll be responsible for processing incoming prior authorization requests via phone, fax, and web, while ensuring that both internal and external customers receive a level of service that exceeds their expectations. You'll collect and transfer non-clinical data, acquire structured clinical data, and review authorization requests for completeness of information. You'll also verify eligibility, verify physician and rendering facility participation, and initiate an online authorization based on information received. You'll submit cases for second-level review if medical necessity cannot be established, and provide customer service to callers following up on existing authorization requests, either in process or processed. So right here they're telling us you don't need any experience for this job, but you do need a high school diploma or a GED. They prefer you're a good communicator, you have knowledge of medical terminology, but if you don't, I'll put a link in the description area below this video to a really good free resource where you can pick up some medical terminology. They also prefer you have experience doing data entry, customer service, and you're detail-oriented, and they prefer you know Spanish. And they tell us these are all preferred skills, but I'm thinking you need to know all of them with exception of knowing a second language. I think that's the only one that should be preferred. They want you to have contact center experience, you're comfortable with heavy call volume, and then right here they tell us they want you to have at least 1 year of applicable experience, such as prior experience in medical, healthcare, and or contact center setting. So that's a contradiction to what we saw earlier where they're telling us you don't need any experience. So I'm going to go ahead and say they want you to have at least 1 year of related experience for this job. But if you don't have any healthcare experience, as long as you have some contact center customer service experience, definitely apply for this position. And they prefer you have prior authorization experience, and that is just preferred, it's not required. So this is the first job I have. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. Just look for job number 1. So that brings us to our next entry-level position that you can do from home, and this one comes to us from the company Velocity, and they provide IT solutions and support. Right now they're looking for a customer success administrator. So this job is kind of a mix of customer service, basic administration. So if you're comfortable working in Excel and you have some customer service experience, this job has your name on it. This is a fully remote position. You'll be working Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and you don't have to live in that time zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours, and they're going to pay $20 an hour. In addition to that salary, they offer a pretty decent suite of benefits. So you'll perform a variety of administrative and customer service tasks. This role will work closely on a daily basis with various customer service managers, project coordinators, technical support, and other internal teams with a focus on serving the company's external customers. So that means you'll fill out Excel spreadsheets, create customer locations in vSelect, set up billing locations, relay information between carrier tickets and customer spreadsheets. You'll generate contracts, gather information from tech tickets to assist with document creations where needed, respond to customer correspondence when needed, do some ticket creation or monitoring. You'll also handle customer equipment order requests, do some billing requests and submissions, and provide overall administrative support to project coordinators and customer success managers. They want you to have a high school diploma. They prefer you have an associate's degree, and that's just preferred, it's not required. They also want you to have at least 1 year of related experience. Previous telecom IT experience is preferred, but not required. And when it comes to 1 year of related experience, if you're comfortable using Excel, you have some customer service experience, maybe you handled billing, make sure to highlight those skills on your resume and cover letter. You need strong customer service experience that showcases a professional, patient, and courteous approach to working with customers, visitors, and other team members, and you can demonstrate the ability to work in a fast-paced, customer-centric environment. You're comfortable using Microsoft Office products with an emphasis on Excel and Outlook. You're able to learn and understand custom software systems, portals, and other online tools. You're organized, analytical, you're detail-oriented, you're a good communicator, you're a problem solver, you're also a self-starter. You're able to manage and prioritize multiple tasks and projects with a sense of urgency, and you're also able to remain calm in stressful situations. So this is entry-level work-from-home job number 2. It'll pay $20 an hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link below, job number 2. Now this company doesn't make it easy to find their remote jobs, so when you click on that link in the description below, click on the big green click here button. That'll take you to where they have all their jobs listed, and then just scroll down and click on the customer success admin position. And while you're here, check out the other remote jobs they have. They have one in finance, accounting. They have some remote jobs in sales, information technology, service delivery, and support services. They have some tier 1 technical positions, and they have these here, TEMS. I'm not really sure what that means, but if any of these jobs interest you, make sure to check them out. So our last entry-level work-from-home job is for all of you who live in India. You're looking for something you can do from home, and this job comes to us from the company Preply. They're a language learning marketplace, but don't worry, you're not going to participate in the marketplace. You're not going to be doing any kind of tutoring, language learning, anything like that. So Preply has a customer support specialist job opening for all of you who want to work remotely in India. You'll guide and support users with their interactions on Preply, and you'll resolve any issues they may face, becoming a true customer advocate. And what I really like about this job, it's a non-phone job. You're going to be assisting customers in written communication only via chats, emails, and social. They want you to be able to work a flexible schedule. Preply supports customers 24/7, so you'll have a monthly rotating schedule with 9-hour shifts and not less than 11 hours gap between them to have a proper rest. And they're going to train you in this position. So you'll answer customers' questions and resolve any issues they may be facing, identify problem areas and flag them to the concerned team, ensure customer satisfaction, and work on collecting and tracking user feedback, and work closely with the product teams to resolve issues and share that feedback. They'd like you to have previous experience, including support through live chats. You're fluent in English, you have strong technical and analytical skills, and you're able to provide proactive and innovative solutions. You have outstanding written and verbal communication skills, and you're able to understand customers' needs. You're also able to work in a team environment. You're customer-centric, empathetic, and you can focus on what counts, creating simple solutions to deliver fast results. You have a passion for learning and a desire for self-improvement, and your computer needs to be an i5 or i7 processor, 16 gig RAM, 256 gig SSD, and you need a good internet connection. So then they go on to talk about the application and interview process. Basically, you apply for this job, and if they like what they see in your resume, they'll give you a quick introductory video call, and then eventually you'll meet with a talent acquisition team, and then the technical interview with the customer service team leader. And after all that, hopefully they extend an offer for this job. So if you live in India, you have a little bit of customer service experience, and you want to work from home, check out this position. You can find the direct link below. This is job number 3. All right, there you go. We just went over 3 pretty easy entry-level customer service-related work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. But if you're looking for something different, maybe you want a job with Amazon, a huge company, check out this video right here. As always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.